Hello everyone! Sa video na to, pag-uusapan natin ang inscribed angles and intercepted arcs. Tapos na po tayo sa central angle, and now, ang pag-uusapan natin ay tungkol sa inscribed angle. Ano ba ang inscribed angle? An inscribed angle is an angle whose vertex is on a circle and whose sides contain chords of the circle. The arc that lies in the interior of an inscribed angle and has endpoints on this angle is called the intercepted arc of the angle. Examples. These three figures are example of inscribed angle. It contains the chords on a circle. So in figure 1, angle lap is an inscribed angle and its intercepted arc is arc LP. So this is the intercepted arc. This is its intercepted arc. Ito yung intercepted arc niya. In figure 2 naman, ang intercepted arc niya is arc PP. And for figure number 3, the intercepted arc here is arc CF. So those are the relationship between the inscribed angle and the intercepted arc. Now, let's proceed with the theorems on inscribed angles. Theorem number 1. If an angle is inscribed in a circle, then the measure of the angle equals 1/2 of the measure of its intercepted arc, or in reverse, the measure of the intercepted arc is twice the measure of the inscribed angle. Take for instance, example. In the figure on the right, this one, angle ACT is an inscribed angle, and arc AT is its intercepted arc. If the measure of arc AP, this one, the measure of this one is 120 degrees, then the measure of the inscribed angle, which is angle ACT, this is the inscribed angle, is 60. So ito yung sinasabi sa ating theorem number 1, that the measure of the intercepted arc, ito, is twice the measure of the inscribed angle, or yung measure ng inscribed angle is 1/2 lang ng measure ng intercepted arc. Nakuha niyo yung relationship ng dalawa. Pag ang measure nito, ang measure ng intercepted ang measure ng inscribed angle is 1/2 lang siya ng measure ng intercepted arc, or ang measure ng intercepted arc is twice or 2 times the measure of the inscribed angle. So, yun yung relationship ng dalawa. Okay, so let's proceed with theorem number 2. If two inscribed angles of a circle or congruent circles intercept congruent arcs on the same arc, then the angles are congruent. So, example. In figure number 1 below, angle PIO and angle PLO intercept PO. This. So, ito na angle, itong inscribed na angle na PIO and another angle PLO they intercept at arc PO. Since angle PIO and PLO intercept the same arc, the two angles then they are congruent. Ibig sabihin, since they have common intercepted arc, itong dalawa, ibig sabihin, itong angle na to, pati ito, they are congruent. No? Halimbawa, ang measure nito, ang measure ng intercepted arc natin, palagay natin 80 degrees. Ibig sabihin, intercepted arc man yan siya ng angle na to, ibig sabihin, ang measure nito is 40, ang measure nito is 40. Kasi common man yung intercepted arc nila. Same also with this one. No? So they are congruent. So in figure 2 above, angle SIM and angle ELP intercept at arc SM and arc EP respectively. If arc SM is congruent to arc EP, then angle SIM is congruent also to ELP. So, yun yung sinasabi sa theorem number 2. Okay, theorem number 3. If an inscribed angle of a circle intercept a semicircle, then the angle is a right angle. This one is a semicircle. This is an inscribed angle and it intercepts a semicircle kasi nahati man siya sa gitna. So this one is the point of it is the intercepted arc. Ito yung intercepted arc niya. So, ibig sabihin, if an inscribed angle of a circle intercept a semicircle, ibig sabihin, 180 kasi measure nito. So, ibig sabihin, ang measure ng inscribed angle is a right angle or it measures 90 degrees. So, yun yung sinasabi sa theorem. So, right angle measures 90 degrees. And the fourth theorem is, if a quadrilateral is inscribed in a circle, then its opposite angles are supplementary. So when we say supplementary, the sum of the angles are equal to 180. So example, quadrilateral Drea is inscribed in circle M. So ibig sabihin, measure of RDA, this angle, and the measure of Rhea is equal to 180. Measure nito, pati measure niyan equal sa 180. Ito naman na angle, pati yan, because they are opposite angles, no? Opposite angles yan sila. Ang measure niyan, ang total ng measure nila is 180 degrees. So, yun yung sinasabi sa theorem number 4. If a quadrilateral is inscribed in a circle, then its opposite angles are supplementary. Okay, so yun yung 4 theorems about inscribed angle. I hope na-familiarize nyo yung ating theorems, and kasi we will use that one in the following activity. Okay, let's try this one. Activity number 5. Inscribe, intercept, then measure. In the figure below, segment CE and segment LA are diameters of circle N. When we say diameters, it is the longest chord, and it is a line on a circle that passes through the center of the circle. So ito, CE, ito siya, pati yan, are diameters. Use the figure to answer the following. Number 1, name all inscribed angles in the figure. Sige, magbigay tayo ng isang inscribed angle. So, this one, this is an inscribed angle. Angle LCE. Pwede ring LCA. This one, LCA. So, actually, maraming inscribed angle kayo makita din. LCA. Ano pa ba? LCA. ACE. Angle ACE. ACE. Angle ACE. Angle ito na angle CLA, and so on. So marami pa kayo makitang inscribed angles dyan. Okay, basta ang inscribed angle, It contains the chords on a circle. And yung vertex niya is on the circle. So, vertex ito siya, vertex. This one also vertex, vertex. So, marami pa kayo makita dyan na inscribed angles. Okay, let's proceed with number 2. Which inscribed angles intercept the following arcs? Sige. Arc CL. Saan ang arc CL? So, arc CL, this one. So, ang inscribed angle niya is this one. Angle. The answer is angle CAL. Ito yung inscribed angle niya. How about arc AE? Ito. Arc AE. Ang inscribed angle niya is ito. Angle ACE. Angle ACE. Next one, we have arc LE. LE ito. So, inscribed angle niya is LCE. Angle LCE. LCE. Ano ito? LCE. Pwede ring ito. Pwede ring angle. Diba ito? Ito yung LE. Pwede ring ito. LA. Ito yung ano niya. Ito yung vertex. LAE. Pwede ring LEE. So, and angle LAE. Next one, we have arc AC. Saan bang AC ito? AC. So, pwedeng ito angle CLA. Actually, you can interchange the letters. Basta yung vertex sa gitna, pwede siyang angle ALC or angle CLA. Pareho lang yan siya. And we have also dalawa yan. So, AC, diba? So, pwede rin ito. Pwede ding si AEC. Pwede ding angle AEC. So, yun yung kanyang mga inscribed angle. Okay, corresponding inscribed angles. Okay, we are done with this one. Let's proceed with, meron pa ito. You're going to find, given a measure, so if hanapin natin yung angle 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Sige. The measure of arc LE is 124. What is the measure of each of the following angles? Measure ng ating LE sa given. So, we are asked to find number 1, angle 1. Number 2, angle 2. Number 3, angle 3. Number 4, angle 4. 5, angle 5. Tapos, number 6, angle 6. 7, angle 7. 8, angle 8. And 9, angle 9. So, hanapin natin. So, meron man nakalagay dito, diba? So, para hindi tayo ma-confuse, let's erase muna yung mga sinulat natin dito ng mga markings. Yan. So, let's erase para medyo clear siya. Okay. The given here is the measure of LE, arc LE is 124. Yun lang yung given, LE. So, the measure of LE, this one, LE is 124. So, 124. Okay. Number 1, hanapin natin ang measure. Let's find first the measure of angle 1. So, this one. What is the measure of this one, angle 1? Hanapin natin, ano kaya measure niyan? Angle 1. Okay. We know kanina, according dito, that LA is a diameter. This one. Ibig sabihin, nahati. Ibig sabihin, nahati niya ang circle into 2 equal parts. So, ang measure nito, ng arc na ito is 180. Ang measure naman nito is 180. Now, ang hinahanap natin is ang measure ng 1. So, the intercepted arc of angle 1, ito yung intercepted arc niya. Arc AE. Tama? So, the total of this arc hanggang dito, itong arc LEE is 180 dapat kasi semicircle yan siya. Since ang measure ng arc LE is 124, kulang na lang siya ng ilang degree para maging 180. Ito. So, the measure of this one is, so 180, diba? Ang semicircle is 180 minus 24. So, what is 180 minus 24? So, that is 50 here. 56. 56, tama. So, ibig sabihin, ang measure ng arc na ito, the measure of this arc is 56. Now, we are asked to find the measure of angle 1. So, since this is an inscribed angle, the relationship between the two is that the measure of the inscribed angle is 1/2 the measure of its intercepted arc. Sabihin, 1/2 siya ng 56. So, what is 1/2 of 56? 1/2 of 56 is 28. So, the measure of angle 1 is 28. Okay? So, okay, let's proceed with angle 2. Ito. What is the measure of angle 2? Ito. Ito, ang kanyang intercepted arc is ito. From this to this one. Ito yung intercepted arc niya. So, the measure of the intercepted arc is 124. So, kunin na lang ninyo ang 1/2 ng 124. So, the measure of angle 2 is 62. Angle 3. Angle 3. This one. What is the measure of angle 3? Ito. Okay, tingnan natin. Ano ang measure ng angle 3? So, ano bang relationship ang pwede nating makuha dito? So, this one also, so this according dito sa ating given, that the line segment C is also diameter of the circle. Ito. Ibig sabihin, ang measure din ito is 180. Ito, 180 degrees. Tama? Ito, 180 degrees. So, ito yung intercepted arc niya, yung angle 3. Tama? So, ibig sabihin, ang measure nito, 56 ito siya. Ibig sabihin, 180 kasi ang total. So, the measure of the intercepted arc here is 124. Since sinahanap natin ang inscribed angle, the measure of inscribed angle, 1/2 ng 124. So, the same also, that is 62 degrees. Okay, next, we have angle 4. This one. Ano ang measure ng ating angle 4? This one. Okay. Angle 4 is not an inscribed angle. Hindi siya inscribed angle kasi ang vertex niya is the center of the circle. Ibig sabihin, angle 4 is a central angle. Now, what is the relationship between the measure of the central angle and its intercepted arc? Kung ma-remember nyo, di ba, equal yung measure. So, ibig sabihin, hanapin lang muna natin ang measure nito. Ano bang measure nito? So, ito siya, semicircle, 124. So, the measure of this one is 56. So, ibig sabihin, ang measure ng 4 natin is also the same with its intercepted arc. So, since 56 ito siya dito, the measure of angle 4 is also 56. Number 5 is also a central angle. Ito, central angle siya. So, ito yung intercepted arc niya. It measures 124. So, the measure of angle number 5 angle 5 is 124. Okay, next, angle 6. This one. This also is a central angle. So, ibig sabihin ang measure nito is also the measure of the intercepted arc, which is 56. So, the measure of angle 6 is 56. Number 7. This one is an inscribed angle. So, ang measure nito is 1/2 ng measure ng intercepted arc. 56. What is 1/2 of 50? What is 1/2 of 56? That's 28. Number 8, angle 8, ito. This is an inscribed angle. So, ang intercepted arc niya is from this point to this. So, 1/2 ng 124 is 62. And the last number is angle 9. Ito. So, 124 yung intercepted arc niya rin. So, ibig sabihin, the measure of angle 9 is also 62. Okay, so yun yung relationship ng inscribed angle sa kanyang intercepted arc. The measure of the inscribed angle to its intercepted arc is 1/2 or twice yung measure ng intercepted arc sa inscribed angle. Pag sa central angle naman, ang tandaan lang na ninyo, equal yung kanilang measure. Okay? Sige. Let's proceed with this one. Meron pa. Tapos na tayo dito. Ito. If the measure of angle 1 is 26, what is the measure of each of the following arcs? CL. Okay. 20. Ano daw? Angle LE. Saan ang LE natin dito? E. If the measure of angle 1 is 26, where is 26 here? Angle 1 is 26. Ito. Pag ang measure na nito is ang 26. What is the measure? What is the measure of the following arc? CL. Ibig sabihin 26, ang measure niya dito 26, ang measure niya dito dapat is it's 52. Tama? Kasi ito ba yung intercepted arc niya? 52, this also is a semicircle. Ibig sabihin ang measure dito is 128. And also dito 128 din siya. And also here is 52. So yan yung measure nila. So, the measure of CL, CL is 52. 52. AC 128. 128. AE 52. 52. And LE, ito LE, it's 128. Okay? So, assuming lang na yung measure na ng 1 is 26, sinabi dito. So, yan yung mga corresponding measure ng kanyang arc. Itong arc CL, arc AC, arc AE, and arc LE. Okay, so we are done answering the activity. And I hope meron kayong nakuhang mga information, idea about the inscribed angle. And of course, may konting review tayo sa central angle. Just remember that is the measure of the inscribed angle is 1/2 the measure of its intercepted arc, or the measure of its intercepted arc is twice the measure of the inscribed angle. Pag sa central angle naman, walang problema, equal yung kanilang measure. Okay, so we are done. So thank you so much everyone, and see you sa panibagong video natin. Thank you, God bless.